In the 1940s, a man named Colonel Hartland Sanders was living off of $99 Social Security checks at the age of 65. He was broke and driving a beat-up car. But he knew he had something valuable to offer the world: his fried chicken recipe. With nothing to lose, Colonel Sanders left his home state of Kentucky and traveled across the country, trying to sell his recipe to restaurants. He offered it for free, only asking for a small cut of the profits. But after 1,009 rejections, he still didn't give up. Despite the numerous setbacks, Colonel Sanders believed in himself and his recipe. He knew that his perseverance and determination would pay off eventually. And finally, after visiting restaurant number 1010, he got a yes. Today, we know Colonel Sanders as the founder of KFC, a fast food chain that has become a global sensation. But his success didn't come easy. It was the result of his unwavering commitment and belief in himself and his recipe. This teaches us that success has no age limit. No matter how old you are, it's never too late to achieve your dreams. It also reminds us that persistence and determination are key ingredients for success. Don't let rejection or setbacks discourage you. Keep pushing forward and believe in yourself and your work. As Colonel Sanders said, "I made a resolve that I was going to amount to something if I could. And no hours, nor amount of labor, nor amount of money would deter me from giving the best that there was in me." Thanks for watching. If you liked our work, do share your comments and subscribe to our channel, as that would motivate us to create more useful and informative contents.